angels, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with an unboxing. It's going to be a Dior unboxing. So I have a luxury unboxing today of a Dior item and I hope you stick with me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. So yeah, without any further waiting, without any further ado, let's go ahead, let's jump right in. Let's get started with this unboxing. So I have my item right here, and it was purchased from Nordstrom Rack, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this Dior item. But first, I wanted to share a few Dior items with you. So the first thing that I wanted to share is this makeup bag by Dior. I absolutely love the makeup bags at the when they come in with the little Dior items. So this was a Dior makeup item, and I got the bag at the makeup counter, and I love it because it has this lovely little dangle detail for Dior, and you see it says Dior in there, and who can't resist this beautiful color? The color of this makeup pouch is so cute. So this is what the interior looks like. I love it because it's wipeable, and you have a wipeable interior in there, a wipeable patent leather interior. And this little Dior pouch can hold your lipstick, all your makeup items, your makeup brushes. So absolutely carrying this Dior makeup pouch in my larger handbags. So this is the first Dior item that I wanted to share with you. The next Dior item that I wanted to share is this Dior makeup pouch. And I absolutely love this Dior makeup pouch in my collection as well. Once again, it says Dior right there on the little dangle, not in the D shape, but it does say Dior right there. And this one is in like a satiny type material, and it's light, beautiful pastel pink. It's in a shimmery pastel pink material. So I absolutely love this one. I have it stuffed, but this is what the interior looks like. Nothing special, just white, and it's wipeable. And I absolutely love this Dior makeup case as well. So the next and final Dior item that I wanted to share, and then I'll go ahead and do the unboxing, is this Dior makeup beauty case right here. This Dior makeup beauty case right here. I absolutely love this one. This is a larger type, travel type Dior makeup case. I absolutely love it because it holds everything. You can put all different types of makeup in here. So let me go ahead and show you. I'll put the dimensions somewhere here, but this one is so large. It's a makeup kit. It's by Dior, and it's so fancy, and I love it. It's like a little travel makeup case. So you can see you could put all your items in there. And I have some of my Dior makeup and other items in there. Some Fenty lip gloss is in there, some Juicy Couture. But all your items can fit in this makeup travel case. Also, I like it because it has this mesh in here. And this mesh makeup bag is removable. So you can unsnap it. And you see you have this Dior mesh makeup beauty bag that you can put more of your makeup items in when you're traveling. So it's a nice mesh makeup bag, and it's removable. It has the snaps right there for the travel case. It's like a little mini Dior suitcase for makeup. So it's a beautiful Dior makeup case. Let me go ahead and snap it back in so you guys could see. And like I said, you could put all your items in there. And it's so nice because it's like a little travel Dior makeup beauty bag. All your items are gonna fit in here. And you could just grab and go. You know, you could put all your makeup items in there and just grab and go. And you can see it says Dior Beauty right there at the bottom. So I absolutely love this Dior Beauty makeup travel case in my handbag collection. The next thing that I wanted to talk about was just quickly a unboxing. And since we're talking about Dior, I have it right here. It's like an unbagging. It's right in there. You probably could guess what it is. So the first thing that I have is my receipt. Let me pull out my receipt. I have my receipt right here, and then I have the item. So if you can't tell already by now, it is a pair of Dior sunglasses, and my receipt just calls them, I got them from Nordstrom Rack. It just says, my receipt just says Dior Rose Gold. So they're for the Dior Rose Gold sunglasses, and this is them right here, and you can see the case. I hope you can see it says Dior right there. And this case is a little bit different from my other Diors. They have like a more soft case. So you open them up and you can see my beauties right there. Go ahead and pull them out. And there are lovely pair of Dior sunglasses with like a cat eye frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you guys. You can see the tag is right here for it. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, and this is what they look like on me. And these are gonna look so, so cute in the summer or in the winter. And I just thought that they were so cute. And they do come with their polishing cloth, as well as the Dior little card. They come with the little authenticity card. And then they say Dior in the case. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that right there, but it says Dior in the case. So thank you guys so much for joining me for my Dior makeup pouches and handbag video, as well as my new Dior sunglasses unboxing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you again soon in another video.